In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the WordPress post, or what is WordPress post. First, let's go to the dashboard, and here you can see on the left side there are posts, and if you click, you will see all the contents of the posts. And here are some posts, and you can add a new. That means you can add things here. So in the WordPress system or WordPress site, you will see there are a couple of things you can add, you can delete, you can edit. One of these is posts. Second, you can see, okay, let's go back to the dashboard, you will see that. And here we have posts, media, pages, and comments. So you are going to update all of this and make your website more dynamic. For example, the posts. In the posts, first you will see this is just like a very normal file management. So you can add a new post, and this part is a post. This is a post. This is a post title. You can type your post title here, and this is the post content. You may notice that if I type the post name here, and then we will automatically we will have the permalink. It says this is post title and connected with the dash symbol. That means this is the slug. So this is URL friendly name for the post title. Alright, so in the content area you can add lots of things. For example, first you can type the text or word just like your Word documents. And here's two views. First is the visual, second the text. Text is just like you are adding the HTML file, and visual just you are using like a word processor, Microsoft Word, to edit your file. Alright, when you have this, you can add lots of things. For example, if you want to add some pictures, you can add media. So there's lots of things. For example, this one, I pick this picture, I insert it into my post, and I can change it larger, smaller. I guess this is reason I cannot change large, because the original picture is too small. So that's for you can edit the content for the text or pictures, or you can even insert the videos. For example, insert from URL. So if I just go to my site, like the last video, if I go to share, if I go copy, so I have this URL. If I go to the post, if I add this link, you will see the YouTube video will automatically insert into my post. If I said insert into post, so here is my YouTube video, right? If you want to change the size, you can change to in your, because here is embedded, right? So you can click embed. See, that is how, if you can add it, so you can change the size. Probably let's try. So I put this here and doesn't show anything because it's a URL. So for this URL, you cannot change the size so far. So we already insert into the post. If I publish, I will see this post immediately, right? So if you have the video content, you can add it this way. Alright, this is for how to edit the files here. If you want to add some code, and you can go to the text, and so this already embedded the YouTube, right? Let's input some code. So if you just type in order to show the code in a beautiful way, you have to install some plugins. So I will show you next time. I will show you later on. But now let me go back to this, and let's finish this part. And this left part is just like a very normal text editor. You can add a title, content, and you can add a hyperlink. To link to another website or pages. And this is broken, and this more icons, more tools you can use to format your content here. And this for the toolbar toggle. Alright, so this for the text edit. And on your right side, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5. Let me collapse. Okay. You have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 menus. And those are very unique for post. Let's say the first one, publish. In the publish, you have 2 buttons. The first one is save draft. If you're not ready, you can save draft in the WordPress system, or you can preview your web or your post. How does that look like? And here status will show you it's a draft, or you can see it's a draft or it's a pending review. You can save it as pending review and send this to your another user. Let them or there's somebody else to help you review the content, or you can just cancel. All right, that's for the draft or pending review. And next one is visibility. So it's for public, or let's see, it's for public, or you stick this post to the front page. That means each time when people click your website, your URL link to your www website, and this post will show up at the front page. Or you can protect the content. Just click here and you create some password, you share this password to somebody else, and when people visit your website, they have to view your content by inputting the password. Or you can put the private. That means this post only can be viewed by yourself. Alright, this is public. I just put public and take OK. Okay, and next one is very unique, like publish immediately, right? Let's click edit. So there are many ways. One is in default, this blog will be published immediately to your website. Another one is you can schedule some time, like you decided to publish maybe next week or maybe next month or sometime. You can change the dates and the time, and then you can click OK. Then don't forget to click publish, and this time marker will take effect. Alright, so now it's just immediately, we just publish immediately. So this for the publish. The publish side, the functions are very similar as a page is published. Let's go to the page, for example. Okay, they want me to publish. Okay, I just click publish. Alright, let's go back to my page. If you go to the page, you will say, if you just, for example, this sample page, and if you edit, you will see what? You will see the very similar thing as publish, and you can preview, you can edit, you can say published or pending view or draft or the visibility, and it's exact the same thing, right? So you can see when you create a new post, and some functions are very similar as creating a new page. But today we're going to talk about posts only. Right? Go back to the post, and you can see this is the post. This is just that post that I added. So I go back to here, and you will say this part is published, and next part is the format. So when you click, you will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 types of format for this post. If this is just a standard post, you can click standard. If you say a side post, maybe you just put somewhere else, or this post is only for image, you click image or video or quote or link or gallery or audio. So this really depends what type of post it will be. Alright, and next one is categories. This is a very unique one. In WordPress, all the posts, they're different for, maybe they're different from their titles, or different from the time when they publish, or different from the URL, or different from the content, right? But also you can organize all the posts by their category. Let's click, and the text. This is a unique one. So let's click category. You can see I already created some categories. You can see if I want to add a new category, I will say WordPress page tutorial. That would be my next video. If I type this, I click add a new category, you will see the page tutorials show up here. So this one is a page post tutorial, so I just choose this one, WordPress post tutorial. Alright, let me update. Alright, this is my new post, and then this is for category. You organize the post with the different categories. Alright, and next one is tags. Tags is actually they're very some of their keywords used for this one. For example, I would say general or general post. Alright, I add, so this becomes my new tag. Or I would say post tutorial. Alright, or I would say WP tutorial. Alright, so I add. So you can add some tags, and by this tags you can also link to this post. Alright, so I'll update. Alright, now this post has a category. Its category is WordPress post tutorial, and this tags, it has 3 different tags. Alright, let's go to next one, the featured image. Alright, a featured image, just like when you view the web page, when you view the post, the set featured image will show up as the top of the post. For example, I tap this one, just click set. Okay, this becomes my featured image. If I update and then I complete this configuration or setting up for this post. Alright, this is just for the post. Now let's go to view our post, preview changes. Or I will go here, I go right click and I say open link in new tab. Now you can see my WordPress site. This is 2017 still, right? Now you can see the new post I just posted. The featured image already show up here. If I want to read more, I just click this. This is post title, and I will go to the post content itself. You can see the video is here, the picture is here. If I click video, the video will play on this website. This video. Alright? Okay. Let's go back. So that's pretty much all about the post. How can you create a new post? And let's go back to the all post. And now you will say the post. This is the post type. This is a new one I just created, and the category is WordPress tutorial. And some of those I didn't create the codes. I didn't put them into some category. So in default, they just automatically put all the posts into one category. That's it, uncategorized. Right? So for the categories, you can click categories. Actually, we have 2 or more, right? We have more categories, right? So you can add them, and you can change the slug. And in this way, you can use category to organize your post. I think this is so much for the post, and next time I'm going to talk about how to use the pages. Alright, thank you for watching. I will update soon.